The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a refined and more powerful version of DJI's popular compact gimbal camera, and all signs suggest it could launch in early 2026. Over the past few weeks, several leaks have appeared online, including images of retail boxes, warehouse inventory listings, and official regulatory documents. These details strongly indicate that the next Pocket camera is real and already deep into its final preparation stage. Based on the timing of these filings, many industry watchers believe the launch window will likely fall between February and March 2026. While nothing has been officially announced yet, the consistent flow of information makes it clear that the release is getting closer. From what the leaks reveal, the standard model is expected to keep a large 1-inch class sensor. That is important because a bigger sensor usually means better image quality, improved dynamic range, and stronger low-light performance. Users can likely expect smooth and detailed 4K video recording at high frame rates. Some early reports even suggest that higher resolution recording modes could be included, though that has not been confirmed. If true, this would give creators more flexibility when cropping or editing their footage. However, resolution is only part of the story. The real improvements appear to focus on practical, everyday use. The Pocket 4 is rumored to include a brighter built-in display, making it easier to see while filming outdoors in strong sunlight. Stabilization performance is also expected to be enhanced, delivering even smoother footage during walking shots or fast movement. Physical controls may be redesigned or refined, possibly improving grip comfort and making quick adjustments more intuitive. Low-light shooting is another area where improvements are anticipated, helping creators capture cleaner footage in evening or indoor environments. Overall, it does not look like a dramatic reinvention. Instead, it seems that DJI is carefully improving what already worked well in previous models. The design philosophy appears to focus on polishing the experience rather than introducing risky or experimental features. This approach makes sense, especially for a product line that is already popular among vloggers, travelers, and content creators. At the same time, there is growing evidence that a higher-end version, called the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, is also in development. Separate FCC documents and leaked images confirm that a Pro variant exists. The biggest highlight of this model appears to be a dual camera system. Instead of relying on a single lens, the Pro version may combine a primary wide-angle camera with a secondary focal length. This could provide greater framing flexibility, allowing users to switch perspectives without physically moving closer or farther from their subject. Some believe the second lens could offer a telephoto-style reach, which would be a major upgrade for such a compact device. The presence of both standard and Pro models suggests a clear strategy. The regular version seems designed for everyday creators who want portability, strong stabilization, and reliable image quality. The Pro version, on the other hand, may target more advanced users who need additional optical options and more creative control. By offering two tiers, the company can serve both casual shooters and more demanding professionals without forcing everyone into a single price category. Although official specifications and pricing are still unknown, the repeated leaks and regulatory approvals strongly point toward a dual model launch in 2026. If everything aligns with the current information, the next generation of Pocket cameras could bring smarter refinements, better performance, and more flexibility, all while keeping the compact design that made the series popular in the first place. Now, at Insta360's annual meeting on February 11, 2026, CEO Liu Jingkong stepped onto the stage and confirmed what many in the industry had been whispering about for months. The company is officially launching a brand new handheld gimbal camera called Luna, and it's arriving in the first half of 2026. Yes, it's real, and yes, it's aiming straight at DJI. This isn't just another action cam announcement. Luna represents Insta360's boldest move yet, a direct challenge to DJI's long-standing dominance in the pocket gimbal category. And importantly, this device is being positioned not against the current generation, but as a rival to the upcoming DJI Pocket 4. That detail alone tells you how confident Insta360 is feeling right now. For months, leaks hinted that Insta360 was experimenting with a modular pocket camera design. Blurry prototype images surfaced online, spec sheets floated around. Industry insiders speculated about interchangeable camera modules and a dual lens configuration. Now, with Luna officially confirmed, those rumors suddenly carry real weight. During the presentation, press members captured images that quickly began circulating. One statement from the CEO stood out. He emphasized that Luna is definitely not another pocket camera. That wasn't just marketing language, it was a clear message. Luna isn't borrowing from DJI's formula, it isn't a clone, and it's not based on DJI's technology. Instead, Insta360 appears to be rethinking what a pocket gimbal camera can be. The visible dual camera setup immediately separates Luna from traditional single-lens pocket cameras. If earlier reports are accurate, the modular system could allow creators to swap lenses or camera units depending on their shooting needs. That would be a major shift in flexibility for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators who want more than a fixed setup. And of course, advanced stabilization is expected, something Insta360 has already mastered in its 360-degree cameras. Combine that with upgraded video capabilities, and Luna could push beyond what we've seen from previous Pocket models. The release timeline makes this even more exciting. With a confirmed launch window in the first half of 2026, Luna could appear as early as March or sometime in Q2. That means the wait isn't long. The battle for the next generation of pocket gimbal cameras is about to begin. One thing is clear, Insta360 isn't stepping into the arena quietly. Luna is coming. In 2026, Vivo is preparing to enter the fast-growing pocket camera market, directly challenging the popular DJI Osmo Pocket series. The company has officially confirmed that it started working on a dedicated vlog camera project at the end of 2025. Unlike a smartphone upgrade, this will be a true pocket-style gimbal camera designed specifically for content creators. According to reports from Chinese media, Vivo's new camera is being built to compete head-to-head with DJI's Pocket lineup. The product has not yet received an official name, but it is expected to launch sometime in 2026. Development reportedly began in late 2025, with a large internal team working on lightweight gimbal technology and AI-based stabilization. Early prototype information suggests the camera could weigh under 200 grams and support 4K video at 60 frames per second. It may also feature Zeiss-tuned lenses, which could deliver strong image quality similar to Vivo's premium smartphones. Recent patent images give us a clearer idea of the design. The sketches show a compact body with a built-in gimbal, a rotatable screen, and a connecting arm structure. The overall shape looks very similar to DJI's Pocket cameras, focusing on portability and one-handed use. The expected launch window is likely in the second half of 2026, possibly around Q3 or Q4. This timing would allow Vivo to compete directly with the next generation of DJI Pocket cameras and other rivals like Insta360. If Vivo brings its strong camera experience into this category, the 2026 Pocket camera market could become more competitive than ever. Lastly, talk about DJI Pocket 3. Deciding whether the DJI Pocket 3 is worth it in 2026, or if you should hold out for a DJI Pocket 4, can feel like standing at a crossroads. It's that familiar mix of excitement and hesitation that every tech lover knows so well. You see something that promises incredible capability, but there's always that whisper in your mind. What if something even better is just around the corner? Let's talk about that in a way that's honest, easy to follow, and grounded in what we know about trends and real-world use. From the moment the DJI Pocket series first became popular, it wasn't just another gadget, it was a tiny storyteller's dream. These devices fit right in your pocket, yet deliver video quality that once required bulky cameras and complicated setups. The DJI Pocket 3 continued that tradition. When it launched, people were genuinely impressed. Sharper video, smoother stabilization, better low-light performance, and features that even experienced creators appreciated. If you enjoy filming travel clips, vlogs, candid moments, or even short films, it's a remarkably capable tool for its size. By 2026, the Pocket 3 has been around long enough that its price has become more accessible than at launch. That's an important point. Value isn't only about how groundbreaking something is, it's about what you get for the money. The Pocket 3 delivers professional-grade video quality without the intimidating learning curve of larger cameras. For many creators, this ease of use alone makes it worth considering. Now let's address the heart of your question. Should you buy the Pocket 3 now or wait for a Pocket 4? There's no crystal ball when it comes to future tech, but we can think about this logically and realistically. Waiting for the next model is tempting. Companies like DJI do release new versions regularly, and each generation often brings better performance, smarter features, or improved hardware. It's easy to imagine a Pocket 4 with even sharper video, more advanced autofocus, stronger battery life, and new creative tools. After all, that's the nature of technology, constant evolution. And nothing hurts a tech fan quite like buying a device just before an upgrade comes out. But here's the emotional truth. If you wait forever for the next big thing, you'll never enjoy anything today. Waiting can feel like anticipation, but it can also become a kind of hesitation that steals joy. If you have creative projects waiting to be filmed, memories you want to capture, or a desire to improve your video skills now, the Pocket 3 gives you that opportunity. Consider how you plan to use it. If you're a casual creator or hobbyist who films occasionally, and you're okay with good performance rather than cutting-edge features, then the Pocket 3 is more than enough. You'll get stunning quality and reliability right away. There's comfort in owning a tool that's proven and widely supported. Accessories, tutorials, and community guides abound. On the other hand, if you're someone who always needs the latest and greatest for professional work, and you're comfortable waiting several months or even a year based on how DJI's release cycle goes, then patience might be your strategy. Waiting could bring something that edges ahead of the Pocket 3 in meaningful ways, though there's no guarantee exactly when or what those improvements will be. Another emotional layer here is fear of regret. This is a natural feeling when making a purchase decision. You might worry, what if I buy the Pocket 3 and the Pocket 4 comes out soon with much better features? That's a valid concern, but the anxiety of future upgrades shouldn't stop you from enjoying excellent technology today. The improvements between generations are rarely so massive that the previous model becomes useless overnight. Even if a Pocket 4 arrives in 2026 or 2027, the Pocket 3 will still be a strong performer, just like older smartphone models are still useful even after newer ones launch. At the end of the day, it comes down to what matters most to you. If capturing moments today, improving your skills, and having a reliable, portable camera brings you joy, then the DJI Pocket 3 is absolutely worth it in 2026. If you thrive on having the very latest tech and are willing to wait without frustration, then waiting for a Pocket 4 release might make sense. Technology will always move forward, but life doesn't wait. If the Pocket 3 feels right in your heart and budget, there's no reason to hold back. And if the Pocket 4 someday arrives and blows your expectations out of the water, you'll still have enjoyed every moment you captured in the meantime.